Hi, my name is Bill Gibson. Welcome to my video, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, behind the scenes, getting started. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone for allowing me to actually post to you every day for the last 10 days. I promised to you that I would tell you or I would explain what I was doing, and now it's time to do that. So here we go. I'm taking an online course, and the online course is about marketing online. It's about how to build an affiliate marketing business. All right. And whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're selling your own products, this will work. This is by a guy by the name of Paul Murray. You probably heard me mention him a couple of times because I mentioned him in all 10 of those videos, if you went that far. But now let me explain. There's a setup process in this whole thing. And the setup process is really getting your mind right. The setup process is to get your mind right. And this is what I mean by that. Most people are not mentally prepared to do their own business. Most people want to exchange time for money. And I'm not knocking that. I'm retired at the moment, and I exchange time for money throughout my whole working life or career, or call it what you want to. But here's what I'm trying to say. In order to be self-employed, I have to change my mindset. That's called a change your paradigm or change your way in thinking. So in order for me to do that, I go through every single morning, been doing this for the last 3 months. I listen to an audio. Now this is just for me. I listen to an audio by this guy named Bob Proctor, and I also listen to an audio by it was written by the Egyptians long time ago. And first and foremost, I'm not trying to change your mind about your faith, your religion, or nothing like that. I'm just talking to you That's basically it. But you got to change your mindset. You got to change the paradigm. So I listen to these guys every day, and I've been listening to Bob Proctor for the last 3 months, but every single day I hear something different, or it clicks. Now, so number one, with this training that I showed you, and I have talked about all this. First and foremost, I may make this into 2 parts because this is going to be long. I'm going to pull back the curtains per se and show you everything. The first thing I had to do, or the first thing I did, I told you about this product called Workflowy. This is Workflowy that you're looking at here. So I set my goals up. I got a yearly goal, I got a weekly goal, I break it down to daily. And Workflowy is free. I already talked about this to you. If you didn't get it, it's in one of those earlier videos. But let's get to this, why I sent you those 10 videos for 10 days straight. And I'm gonna be really honest with you. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. You probably didn't listen to them. And that's okay. That is completely okay. But here's what I will also tell you what those videos are going to do for me. So I sent out 10 videos, but before I did that, I had to do some research. See, most people, me included, I was the guiltiest person. When I want to go online, I want to make money. I hear that it can be done. I see some people doing it, at least on the internet. Okay, but I'm not around people that are actually doing it, so I got absolutely no support. That's the reason why I listened to a Bob Proctor. That's the reason why I listened to this thing called the Kabbalion. That's the reason why. Because I got to change this way of thinking. So, first thing, this is what I did. And you can see it right here. First, I had to pick a product. So I could go to Clickbank and actually pick a product. You guys know what Clickbank is. but I need to pick a product for a niche, not pick a product, okay, because I like the product. And yes, I need to like the product, but I'm picking a product for a niche. All right. Now, after I pick the product, and my particular product, actually, again, being completely open with you, I didn't pick a Clickbank product. I picked the product by the person that taught me how to do what I'm telling you how to do. But here's the deal. The real deal. Who are you selling to? Now, most of us think that our product is for everybody, and it can't be. I mean, it really cannot be. Our product has to be for that person to whom you're talking to. I'm talking to you right now through my computer. So this product is for you. I know exactly what that person are. I have an ideal. I even got a picture. This is what that person looks like in my mind to who I'm talking to right now. Now, let me show you something else. This is that person that I'm talking to in this picture. So I have broken it down enough to where I know who I'm talking to, or I have an idea who I'm talking to. I'm talking to one person. I'm not talking to the internet. I'm talking to one person. So whatever product and service which you're selling, you want to break it down to where you're talking to one person. At least I'm communicating with one person. I can't be talking to like a room full of people. All right? So after I break that down, let's say, for instance, in this particular case, I would love to rank for affiliate marketing. I would love it. But affiliate marketing is too big. Affiliate marketing selling what? You can sell high ticket items. Look, I got all these things that you can sell with affiliate marketing. But I need to break it down. So I broke it down to Clickbank. So with Clickbank, I wrote down some of the problems, or some of the different ways you can market with Clickbank. But let me go back, because for this one particular person, he wants to learn how to market online. But in my mind, I'm also thinking about another person, another guy. This is completely off the record because I'm going to focus on him, because this other guy, he don't give a damn. He doesn't care. So here's the deal. If you're selling a physical product, and let's say your product is, I'm going to just pick one, sweatsuits. So you're selling a sweatsuit. Now, I don't know and care how you got the sweatsuit, what your markup is, or nothing like that. But you're selling a sweatsuit. So the first thing you got to do is break it down who you're talking to, who you're selling to. Because you can't sell to everybody. Your sales pitch for me, and I'm retired, it's not the same sales pitch for my son. It's not the same sales pitch for a 20-year-old. It's a different sales pitch. So you got to be congruent. You got to be consistent and remember who you're talking to. All right? So let's get back to this. This is what I did, guys, and this is unbelievable. So I did research, and my research was on Clickbank, because Clickbank is an affiliate marketing program to where you can go and get digital products. The thing about affiliate marketing that works so well is I do not have to create the product. All I got to do is find a good product for the niche in which I'm talking to. And the niche that I'm talking to is people that want to make money online in Clickbank. All right? So let me show you the next step. Why you got all those darn videos. You got all those videos because what I had to do is I had to list out the problems that people on Clickbank are having right now. Right now. So I list out all the problems. Now you see a lot of things crossed out, but I listed out, I tried to find 20. I was a little bit short on the 20, but I list out all the problems. Here's where I got some of the answers, and I told you guys about this. Excuse me. I got some of the answers from this site called Quora. What did I say about Quora? Quora is a place to where we can list questions. So I listed a question, and my question was about Clickbank marketing. Let me see if I can find my home page. My question was about Clickbank marketing. So I asked people to tell me what kind of problems they're having with Clickbank marketing. And guess what? People were answering. Yeah, they were answering. So after that, I listed what they were saying. Some was good and some wasn't. That's okay, right? And then I went on Quora and I looked up other people that talked about affiliate marketing, Clickbank marketing, blah, blah, blah. And they also asked for problems. See, look at here. Okay, so you see, I just put in Quora, what are the 10 most common problems that with affiliate marketers. And I ain't the only one asking the questions. There are a lot of people asking the same or similar questions. And all I got to do is just look at the results. And in hindsight, after I look at the results, what that did is helped me to come up with my problems here. Now, for every problem that I came up with, I had to provide solutions. Well, first of all, I took the primary problem and I broke it down a little bit more because you got to dig deep. So the whole point is to do things that other people weren't willing to do. You got to dig deep, and then I provided solutions. Okay, but with the solutions, that was really going to lead a person back to my primary product, which was what I'm trying to sell, right? Okay, so I hope you got that. But here's the deal. I did product research on Google. I told you about that. So I looked up keywords about affiliate marketing with Clickbank. And I even wrote down the volumes. This is the monthly volumes that they were getting. And I tailored my videos, not around this right now, but I tailored my videos more or less around what I learned off of Quora and what those problems were. Because all I wanted those videos to do that I sent out for the last 10 days were to rank #1 on Google. That's all I wanted. Rank #1 on Google. That ain't asking for much, right? Okay, so here's the deal. As of today, and today you're going to get my last of the 10 videos. Those first 9 videos that I put out, and this one here will rank #1 within 1 hour after I put the video up. And that's if you look at it or not. So if you want to help, look at it. If you don't want to help, don't look at it. But the information I'm giving you, this is true. This will work because all I'm trying to do is this. I'm trying to build authority. That's it. I'm trying to build authority, not with you, but with Google and with YouTube. So if I take those videos that I made and I sent out to you, and I look those videos up, the long-term keywords, I look those videos up on Google and on YouTube, I bet you they're ranked #1. They are. So what do you want to do? It depends upon the product that you're selling, but you need to get some authority. So when I build the authority with Google or with YouTube, what am I going to do next? Well, that's simple. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go back to this keyword thing. Remember, I did the keyword research. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go back to the keywords, and I am going to pick out one keyword and I'm going to hammer it. Now, by that, I don't mean, put out BS. I'm going to hammer it. By that, I mean, I'm going to pick out one keyword and I'm going to go for the glory. I'm going to pick out a keyword that has a lot of traffic. It may have it does have some competition. There are some heavy hitters. But this is what I noticed about YouTube and about Google. Now, I don't want to pay for Facebook ads. I have been banned from Facebook because I messed up on an ad. Didn't know what I didn't do wrong, but I know I did something wrong. At least I hope I did something wrong, because Facebook banned me. Not once, but 3 times. I told you about that in my videos. But I know you didn't listen to the videos. Okay. Here's the deal. If you look at the people on YouTube, let's go to YouTube. Let's get away from my channel. Let's just go to YouTube. That ain't YouTube. I'm going to stop the video here so you can go to part 2. It will be coming up next. Thank you very much.